The journey of oysters begins in the open sea, where they grow naturally.
Here, oysters develop strong shells and rich flavor over time.
Mature oysters are lifted from the sea for processing.
Fresh oysters are quickly transported to the factory. At the factory, hygiene and speed are critical. Oysters enter the production line for cleaning and inspection.
High-pressure water removes mud, algae, and impurities.
Rotating drums ensure shells are thoroughly cleaned. Damaged or weak oysters are removed by hand.
Machines sort oysters by size and quality grade.
Each oyster is scanned to meet strict quality standards.
This delicate process opens the shell without damaging the meat.
The oyster meat is carefully separated and prepared for rinsing.
Cold, purified water preserves freshness and texture.
Laboratory testing ensures freshness, safety, and quality.
Oysters are vacuum sealed to lock in quality. Each package is labeled for full traceability. Packed oysters are stored at controlled temperatures. Packed oysters are stored at controlled temperatures. Packed oysters are stored at controlled temperatures. Refrigerated trucks carry oysters to markets worldwide.
Chefs receive the oysters, ready to serve fresh to customers.
Only the strongest and healthiest oysters move forward to packaging.
Every oyster undergoes a final human quality check.
A brief brine bath enhances flavor and preserves freshness.
Rinsing removes any remaining impurities from the oyster's meat.
Cold air gently dries each oyster without harming quality.
Oysters are carefully placed for vacuum sealing.
Trays are precisely aligned to ensure efficient sealing.
Vacuum sealing locks in freshness and extends shelf life. Labels provide traceability for every single oyster. Sealed oysters are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses.
Inventory is monitored to ensure timely distribution.
Refrigerated trucks maintain the perfect temperature during transit. Oysters travel across cities and countries to reach customers.
Chefs ensure freshness and quality before serving.
Oysters are served chilled on ice to maintain perfect flavor.
A touch of lemon enhances the natural taste of fresh oysters. Joan.
Every oyster reflects the care taken from farm to plate.
Finally, oysters are ready to delight customers around the world.
Freshness,
Taste and quality come together in every bite. From the ocean to your plate, this is the story of oysters.